Hi, welcome to Homemade Gourmet. Today I am making a special, very simple and nostalgic coastal snack called Pova Chivda, a crispy flattened rice mixture that pairs perfectly with evening tea or coffee. Heat some oil in a pan, and that should be the coconut oil. Add mustard seeds, generous amount of hing, generous amount of chopped green chilies, fresh curry leaves, sliced coconut pieces, peanuts, and split roasted gram. Add a little turmeric and salt and roast everything slowly till aromatic and crispy. Spread the thin Avalakki or flattened rice in the sun for some time until it becomes light and crispy. This step gives the mixture its beautiful crunch. Once you prepare the seasoning, now you add the sun-crisped Avalakki and mix thoroughly so all the flavors coat the rice evenly. Now add little salt and mix the mixture thoroughly. Continue roasting gently till the flattened rice turns extra crisp and crunchy. Switch off the flame and allow the mixture to cool completely. Once cooled, add finely powdered sugar and mix well. That light touch of sweetness balances the spice beautifully. A signature taste of traditional Konkani-style Chivda. And that's it. Crispy, spicy, slightly sweet Pova Chivda or Avalakki mixture is ready to enjoy with a hot cup of tea or evening coffee.